Welcome to this tutorial on React Transcript Editor. By following this video, you will learn CDT's tool of choice for handling transcription files. Here is the index that we will follow during the tutorial. First place, we will learn how to open React Transcript Editor. Then, how to load a media file and its transcription. On third place, we will explore the options available within the tool. Then, I will teach you some navigation tips that will hopefully make the transcription task easier. Then, on fifth place, how to correct your transcription. The last items that we will cover are how to save your progress, how to export your transcription, and some useful resources. Let's get started with React Transcript Editor. Please note that you will need some materials on your side to follow the video. Make sure to prepare them before continuing watching. Do not hesitate to pause the video at any time if you need to rewatch something that you missed or in case things are going too fast. The purpose of this whole video is for you to get familiar with the tool, so set your own pace and take your own time. I hope you enjoy the video. React Transcript Editor is a web application, which means that it can be launched through a link. Clicking on its link opens the tool. There are different sections available, such as Load Media, Import Transcript, Export Transcript, or Save Transcript. But let's start by uploading the media that we have to work with. I'm going to do so by clicking on this button here called From File. By doing this, a browsing window appears, and I just have to search for the media file that I want to upload. React Transcript Editor is able to handle both audio and video files. In my case, I'm going to upload an MP4 file. I select it and click on Open. We can notice that the name of the file that we have just uploaded is displayed here. Before explaining the different features that have now appeared within the tool, let's import the transcription that we have to edit. To do so, we go to this section here called Import Transcript. In here, you have the different formats that React Transcript Editor is able to handle: bbc-caldi and draft.json. For this exercise, we are going to upload a bbc-caldi JSON format. We select this option and we click on Load Transcript. Now, we look for the JSON file that we want to upload. Select it and click on Open. We notice that the transcription appears as loaded in here, the text is present, and also the ID of the transcription we are working with is displayed here, together with its language code. Now that we have loaded the media and the transcription files, let's explore the different options available within the tool. For starters, the media dashboard. In here, we can see the name of the transcription file we have just uploaded. We also have a timer. The first one indicates your current position within the media file. Since we haven't started playing the video yet, it's stating 0. The second one shows the current duration of the media that you have uploaded. These two features allow you to rewind the loaded media file each time you press them. This one here, you can use it to play or pause the media file. This last button helps you to move forward within the media file. This function here, it's quite interesting because it controls the reproduction speed of the loaded media file. Clicking it will display a drop-down menu with values ranging from 0.2 until 3.5. They are ordered from slowest to fastest, being 1 the normal speed. Feel free to play with these values as you deem appropriate to help you while transcribing. If the loaded media file is a video, clicking this button will unpin the media player from the editor interface. The video is now displayed in a new window that you are able to move as you deem appropriate, and also expand its size. To go back to normal, you can either click on this button here or click on this button here. The last option available within the dashboard is this one, and you can use it to mute or unmute the media that you have uploaded. Let's now focus our attention on the editor area, where we will modify our transcription. First, let's play the media.
As children, there is no limit to what we believe we can become. But as girls and boys, we are steered in different directions.
As you can see, words are turning into black as soon as they are enunciated, and the word that is just being pronounced is highlighted in green. This will help you to follow the rhythm of the transcription at all times. Also, notice that each paragraph has assigned a speaker identification mark and a timestamp. Such speaker identification marks are automatically assigned by speech-to-text technology and might not be 100% accurate. For instance, in a video narrated by just one person, like ours, the speech-to-text technology might identify two speakers if the intonation or the enunciation tone varies. Due to this, and to be able to indicate in the transcription file the speaker name whenever needed, these marks can be modified at any time by clicking on their names or on the icons here. Since the narrator of our file is not identified, I'm just going to replace all instances by the word narrator. I click on OK, and now the tool is going to ask me if I want to replace all occurrences of the one that I'm changing by my modification. I click on OK. And there are just a couple of them left. Go again. And type narrator. OK. And just one left. Narrator. Good. Both speaker identification marks and timestamps are applied at paragraph level, which means that if I'm editing my transcription and I introduce a new paragraph, a new timestamp and a new speaker identification mark will be added. After getting familiar with some of the features available within the tool, let me now teach you some navigation tips that will hopefully help you while transcribing. When working on your transcriptions, there are several ways to navigate through the media file. The first one is to use the buttons available in the media dashboard.
Should do. Continue to influence ways are led towards maths and science. And they start because of what we call gender.
Another way would be to use the red players bar. Clicking on any part of it will directly play the media file from that point onwards.
While boys are led towards math paths, more mathematics field.
However, the most precise way of navigating through your transcription is by using the transcribed text available within the editor. Double-clicking any word will directly take you to the exact moment when the word is being enunciated in the media file. Let's give it a try.
Consequences is the first step to different directions growing up. This happens start to shape our preferences and career paths.
We can stop the media at any point we want and continue editing. I hope that these navigation tips will help you. Let's start now correcting our transcription text. Normally, we would play the media file from the beginning and start correcting the transcription as we advance. But for the sake of the exercise, I'm going to do things a bit differently and a bit faster. If you on your side want to correct the whole transcription, feel free to do so. To insert any modification, we just have to click on any area of the tool and insert them by using our keyboard. This area here looks a bit strange, so I'm going to play it to see if I can modify something.
Acknowledging gender stereotypes and their consequences is the first step towards breaking the mold.
I had some difficulties in understanding this word. I think it might be acknowledging, but I'm not completely sure. What I can do is to reduce the speed of the speech, play around here, and listen to this word again.
Choose teaching and social work professions. Acknowledging gender stereotypes.
This quite helped me to understand the word. It's definitely acknowledging. I'm going to go back to the normal speed, and I'm going to correct the word. I'm going to also merge these sentences so the text reads more fluid. Please note that you cannot introduce formatting features within the editor, such as bold, italics, or underline. I hope that these tips help you to edit your transcription tasks. Let's imagine now that the whole transcription is finished. If you on your side have corrected the whole transcription, first, you have become my favorite student, and second, you have made this trainer really proud. Now, I'm going to show you how to save your progress. There are different ways of doing it within the tool. First, we can save a copy of our JSON file. If we click here, we will download a copy in BBC Caldi format. Another way would be to use this export transcript to save another JSON format of our work. As we discussed before, both files can be imported into the tool using the import transcript feature, BBC Caldi or draft.json. Another export features are into text with speakers and timecodes, or Word with the speakers and timecodes. The difference between these two, for instance, is that one will not include this information, whereas the other option will be a text file with this info displayed. Please note that apart from these features that we just covered, the progress that you're doing on your browser is constantly saved, which means that, for instance, if I do a refresh and I load the media file that we worked on, the tool's going to ask me if I want to load the transcription that it was automatically saved. Clicking on OK will display it in here. One of the last things that I would like to cover during this session is this feature here. How does this work? If you put your mouse over it, a few facts will be displayed. Make sure to check them out, since they would give you interesting information about the tool and how to use it. Also, remember that there are shortcuts available for some of the features. Whenever available, they are displayed within the tooltip. Before finishing our tutorial, please note that you can find useful resources about transcription under our collaborative platform. You will find guiding materials as well as articles related to the matter. We invite you to explore it. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope that now you're ready to handle transcription requests within React Transcript Editor.